Have you been finding difficulties in putting together this kind of Igbo madam of shoulder blouse? Worry no more. We have a full detailed tutorial on how to make this blouse available on our YouTube channel, from drafting to cutting to stitching. Everything you need to know about this kind of outfit is, in the tutorial video. All you need to do to have access to it is to click on the link above this video, and then you have access to the tutorial video on how to make this blouse. Okay, do well to subscribe, to the YouTube channel, like, share, give a thumbs up. And if you're watching from Facebook, tell us what you think about this blouse. Okay, is it a given? I think it is a given. Okay, as you can see, the client rocked it well. The blouses were seated on the client. Only a satisfied client would send you an appreciative video, if there is any such word as that. Okay, so all right, do well to share the link on this video so that people who really want to know how to make outfit like this would have access to the video. All right, do want to follow this channel, this page, for more tutorial videos and fashion tips and fashion acts. Okay, so see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.